Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out AOL Mail account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL Mail app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now go to the profile page or profile image on top left corner. As shown here, simply tap on it. It will show you this kind of interface. So this is your profile, your username. Now tap on manage account. Now here you can see that it is turned on. That means you are signing with this user ID. Now in order to sign out it, simply tap on it. Turn off it. To turn off, simply tap on it. Now you are turn off this account. Now go back, simply tap on this icon. Now here you can go to profile page. So here you can see that you are signed out successfully. So this is how you can sign out AOL Mail account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.